Bit of trial and improvement here. So 2G is clearly 2 times G, 2 times the grey ones. So we've got the grey ones there, and W is obviously one of the white ones. So what we could, and that's got to equal 10, we've got to find all the combinations. Let's try and do it systematically by writing out 2 times G over each card. So where the grey card is 1, 2G is 2, and then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Because that way we can remove a few because they're not possible. If you want it to equal 10, 16 is no good. So those 4 cards at the end are no good. So let's see, we've joined the 2 and the 8, or they've joined the 2 and the 8, really helpful. 4, 2G, which is 2 times 2 is 4, joins with 6 to make 10, and 2 3s are 6, joins with 4 to make 10, and 2 4s are 8, joins with 2 to make 10. So that will give you the 3 numbers that join up to make 10, using that formula 2G plus W.